A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are very fine and you are safe at home. Children, today we are going to start the next part of English, chapter 4. Students, today we are going to start next topic of chapter 4, pronouns. Read these sentences. Suhani reached school. Suhani said good morning to the teacher and friends. Suhani reached school. She said good morning to the teacher. Both sentences are not same. Little changes there. What is the change? In the second set of sentences, the word she replaces the proper noun Suhani. Here we have used same word, but next sentence we have not used Suhani word. At the place of Suhani, we have used here she word. Words used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Some pronouns are I, you, we, she, he, it, they. Pronouns usually come before the action words. We use it for things and animals. I is always written in capital. Use the pronouns correctly to fill in the blanks. Sunita is a chess player. Here 3 options are given in the bracket. Has a new chess set. He, she, it. So here Sunita is proper noun. So which noun we will write here? She. Because Sunita is a girl. She. My father goes to office every day. Dash goes there by car. My father goes means my father is the proper noun here. So we will use she, no, it, no, he, because he is male. So we use for father word he. The red car is new. Dash is very big. Can we use she or he? No, we cannot use. We will use here it word for car. We cannot repeat the same word again and again. Sunita is a chess player. Sunita has a new chess set. No. So, when we have to change the proper noun, then we will write here these pronoun words. She. At the place of my father, we will write here he. At the place of car, we will write here it. Bonnie lives in Mumbai. Rashi lives in Mumbai. Dash live in the same city. We are talking about 2 persons. So, we cannot use here he or it. More than 1 person, we will use here they word. They live in same city. So children, you will complete this exercise. And now, using this, that, these, those. In earlier classes, you have done practice of this, that, these, those. Again, we will repeat. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. This word or that word we use where? This we use for nearby things. That we use for far away things. The things which are far from us. These we use for more than one thing. When we are having many things, then we use these. Those we use for far away things, but those are in more counting. This is my pencil. These are my pencils. That is a mango tree. Those are mango trees. We use this to point at a thing that is nearer to us. We use these to point at more than one things that are nearer to us. We use that to point at a thing that is far from us. We use those to point at more than one things that are far from us. Look at the pictures. Filling the blanks with this, that, these, those. Dash is a cricket bat. The girl is having one cricket bat and it is in her hand. So we will write here this. Dash is a squirrel. Squirrel is on the tree. It means it is far. So we will write here that word. Dash is a helicopter. Helicopter is in sky. So it is very far. We will write here that. And it is singular. Means one. Dash is a mirror. Mirror is in hand. So what we will use here? This. Dash are birds in the sky. Many birds are there and birds are in the sky. It means it is far away. Those are. Dash are my story books. 2 books she is having. It means books are in hands. These are. Because there are 2 books. So we use here these words. And children, filling the missing letters to form complete words, use the words given in the box. Here some words are given for your help. So you can complete NIGHT, NOON, known, HUGE, huge, HAPPY, happy, CHATTER, chatter, MORNING, morning. So children, you will complete this back exercise which is given at page number 44, 45. And children, please do reading also. Thank you. Have